Inflation of the dollar makes most people poorer. I'm going to show you how inflation is going to make you wealthier next. Hi, I'm Keith Weinhold with Get Rich Education. The coming inflation from all this dollar printing that the government is doing to try to help support the economy and keep it strong is going to impoverish most people. As more dollars are created chasing the same amount of goods, prices are going to rise. That is disproportionately going to hurt poor people and people that don't act and put real assets in their portfolio, like with what you can do and what we're going to talk about today, because real estate investors that buy a property that cash flows with a mortgage loan are going to benefit from what we call an inflation triple crown. You're going to benefit three ways at the same time. And all a cash flowing property means is that you buy a property where the monthly rent income exceed the mortgage and all the monthly expenses. So the first of three ways you can benefit from an inflation triple crown when you have a loan on a cash flowing property is with price inflation. Let's just say the value of your property or all of your properties combined are worth $1 million, just to use round numbers. Say we have 10% inflation over time, whether that's over 1 year, 2 years, or whatever it is. Well, the price of your asset now goes up to $1.1 million. That's great. And maybe you're wondering, well, now how would that help you out if the price goes up 10%, but dollars are worth 10% less? Aren't you right back where you started? No, not actually, because like I said, you have a loan on this property. You might have an $800,000 loan on this property, making your equity position $200K. Well, your equity position goes up by $100K. So your equity went from $200K to $300K with this 10% inflation. You leveraged inflation. You have a 50% return. And we know your tenant pays down this $800K for you. You've outsourced that debt to them. The second of three ways in this inflation triple crown that you benefit is what about that $800K in debt? We know that the tenant is paying that down for you over here, but inflation is also debasing your debt, because if we have 10% inflation, now you only owe the bank back $720K in inflation-adjusted dollars. See, the bank doesn't ask to be repaid in inflation-adjusted dollars, only nominal dollars. Nominal means in name only, so inflation is debasing your debt away. This is another 10% return for you. And the third of three ways in this inflation triple crown is with cash flow enhancement. Let's use a different property in this example just to keep things simple. Let's say you have $1,000 of monthly rent income from your tenant. And say you have $800 in monthly expenses like your mortgage, your property taxes, and your property insurance. That leaves you with $200 of residual income or cash flow. Let's say 10% inflation over time. That increases your rent income that you get from your tenant from $1,000 up to $1,100. Here's a key thing to remember. Most of your $800 expense, your principal and interest, is fixed. That doesn't change over time. You get these 30-year loans. That payment, principal and interest, is not indexed to inflation. So with this $100 increase here, you can almost increase this $100. Your property taxes and insurance and some of your smaller expenses, they typically are indexed to inflation. So rather than this going up to $300, maybe it goes up to something like $260. We'll just say, well, there's another 30% return for you because you were leveraged. So you're getting all these returns due to inflation. That's the inflation triple crown that you benefit from when you own cash flowing property with a mortgage loan on it. Inflation transfers wealth from lenders to borrowers, from banks to you, the investor, borrower. And you know, these inflation profiting benefits and this inflation triple crown, this is really one way that real estate investors get ahead, and they kind of wonder how they did financially get ahead, but you know, they could just never explain it. Most real estate investors don't understand this. Most billionaire real estate investors don't even understand this inflation profiting benefit. So if you do, I've got to congratulate you. You understand something that billionaire real estate investors don't understand. And really, inflation is just one big reason why savers lose, stock investors maintain wealth, and real estate investors build real wealth over time. And this entire triumvirate, all these inflation profiting benefits rolled up into one, these are one of just 5 simultaneous ways that real estate investors typically profit over time. And I talk about this every week on the Get Rich Education podcast. We talk about how to optimize the 5 ways and how to avoid mistakes. And we discuss concepts like this and we make it actionable. So you can check out the podcast. If you don't know how to listen to podcasts, you can download the free Get Rich Education app. And for more material like this, you can also subscribe to our Get Rich Education YouTube channel if you like instructional and wealth building material like this. I'm Keith Weinhold. Thanks so much for stopping by.